Hey folks, I just wanted to share this great winter trip the family and I took over to the Sierra Nevadas between California and Nevada this last weekend. We just hit this really big weather system that's hitting us from the west, and we got to go through Donner Pass, the infamous Donner Pass, through a really nice snowstorm, and I was just really happy with this car of mine. The Ford Escape, the '06 Ford Escape, that just went through that pass with no chains, just ran through that ice and snow and got us home safely. So the pictures are here, and just wanted to share. So bye for now. Thanks.